I know what to do. Day 5, I guess you could say. We already know that the gas tank needs to be dropped out of the Pearl, and seeing as we don't want to do it on the dirt, we are going to be cleaning out an area that was not this bad just a few days ago, but because of wind we now have tumbleweeds everywhere. Underneath that is a concrete slab. It's going to be parked up behind Papa Nana's old Imperial. That needs to be fixed as well, and gonna move all this stuff out of the way. So that is the next saga.
So now what?
Huh?
Now what?
Now what?
Yes. Now we work at getting it around in there? Okay.
Now we push a little this way, man.
Oh,
We push
okay.
it this way.
You know what? It'll work.
Yep. We'll get Tom.